Hello, children. Hope you all are doing well. So, today I am back with exercise 15.1. Answer number 1. You are given numbers in Hindu Arabic system and you have to convert those numbers into Roman numerals. Right? You have done counting 1 to 100, so it's very easy for you. First number is 44. That day I told you the rule of subtraction. 50 minus 10, 40. XL is 40, 1V 4. 56. L stands for 50. 50 plus 6, 56. 68. 50 plus 10 plus 8. 72. 50. 10 60, 10 70 and 2. 40. XL 50 minus 10 40. 67. 50 plus 10 60 plus 7. 98. 90 plus 8. 100. C. 37. 3 times X 7. 95. 90 plus 5. 90 is XC. 54. L50. 1V4. 48. 48. XL is 40. Then symbol of 8. 84. 50 plus 30 80 and 4. 69. 50 plus 10 60 plus 9. 88. 50 plus 30. 80. 30 means 3x. Then 8. 99. XC. 90 plus 9. 99. 64. LX 60 plus 4. 64. 76. 50 plus 20. 70 plus 6. 81. 50 plus 30. 80 and 1. 79. 50 plus 20. 70 and 9. 1x is 9. So this was your answer number 1, where numerals are given in Romans and you have in Hindu Arabic, and you have to convert them into Roman numbers. Now second sum is opposite to it. You need to be very careful in that. You are given Romans and you have to convert Romans into Hindu Arabic. First is XL, and this symbol we know 9. XL is 40. So 40 plus 9, it's 49. 50, 60, 70 and 7. 77. XC 90 and 4. 94. XL means 40 and 2. 42. XL 40 and V means 5. 45. L is 50. 50 plus 5. 55. L 50. X 10. 60 and 3. 63. L is 50 plus 20. 70 plus 4. 74. XX 20 plus 2. 22. XC 90. 90 plus 1. 91. 50, 60, 70 and 5. 75. 50, 60 and 6. XL is 40. 40 and 6. 46. XC is 90. 90 plus 7. 97. 50, 60, 70 and 9. 79. XC is 90. 90 and 3. 93. XL is 40, 40 plus 3, 43. So this is your exercise 15.1, answer number 1 and 2. It is to be done in the notebook. Then answer 3, these are fill-ups to be done in the book itself. So our first blank is the symbol dash, dash and dash cannot be repeated. It was given in rules as well. The symbols which cannot be repeated are V, L and D. So in blanks, 3 blanks are there. V, L and D is the answer of first blank. Second, the symbol dash and dash can never be subtracted. Same the rule was there. V, L and D, they can't be subtracted. Repetition of Roman numbers is addition. Fourth part, I can be subtracted from I. We use its combo with in 4 and in 9. I can be subtracted from V as well as from X. X can be subtracted from L. We write 40 and 90. C. Blank number 6. Each of the symbol I, X, C, M can be repeated at the most 3 times. So this is answer number 1, 2 and 3. Answer 4 of exercise 15.1. Which of them are meaningless? We have to write their correct Roman number. First one is 4 times X. X cannot be repeated more than 3 times. They have written 40. So in right way we will write 40. Vx, subtraction 10 minus 5, we have symbol of 5. Then 2 times V, 5 plus 5, 10, but we have symbol of 10. $50, $60, then 70, 79 and again 9. So we'll be writing the correct number because here when we do this type of operation, the smaller number should come in between 2 greater numbers. So here we will be writing the correct number, that is 50 plus 20, 70 plus 9, 79. 50, 60, 79. I1, it's 49, 49, 40 plus 9, 60, 50 plus 5 plus 5, 60, 60. 100 minus 50, 50, 50 plus 50, 100. Here is put greater smaller sign. To avoid any confusion, first I have converted these numbers to Hindu Arabic number. 40 plus 4, 44 and 50. 50 is greater. XL is 40, C is 100. 100 is greater. XL is 40, 70. 70 is greater. 90, 61. 90 is greater. 90, 50. 90 is greater. 57 and 40. 57 is greater. Answer 10 is AB match. 50 plus 2, 52. 40 plus 5, 45. C stands for 100. 90 plus 7, 97. 40 plus 9, 49. 100 minus 10, 90. 30 plus 9, 39. 40 plus 9, 40. 40 plus 9, 49. Here 20 plus 9, it was 59 here. Now 49, 20 plus 9, 29. Hope I am clear. With this, our syllabus is over. For any doubt, you can contact at the given number and time is given.